Getting hit with PS5 error NW-102315-2? You are not the only one, but the fix is easier than you think. Let's get you reconnected and back in the game. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we are troubleshooting PS5 error NW-102315-2, a frustrating connection error that can stop your console from reaching the PlayStation network. Method 1. Change the DNS settings. You mostly encounter PS5 error code NW-102315-2 when these are issues connecting to the PlayStation network. When you get such an error, change the DNS settings and see if that helps. For that, open PS5 settings, then select Network, then select Settings under Network. Now, select Setup Internet Connection. Choose your Wi-Fi network, then select Advanced Settings. Scroll down to DNS settings. Select it and set it to Manual. Now set the primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Once done, select OK. Once done, head to the network page. Now select Test Internet Connection. You can start test and check the connection speed. Method 2. Check PlayStation Network status. The next thing you can do is check the PSN status page. To do that, visit the PlayStation Network status page. Check if PSN services are active and not undergoing maintenance. If the server is under maintenance, wait for some time till the server is up and live again, and then try again. Method 3. Check that the firewall is not blocking the PSN connection. Next, you should check that the firewall is not blocking the PSN connection. Access your router settings, log into your router's control panel using your web browser. Find the section related to firewall rules or port forwarding. Verify that the following PlayStation Network ports are listed as open and allowed: TCP 80,443, 3478, 3479, 3480, UDP 3478, 3479, 49152265535. If any of the required ports are blocked, you need to add a new rule to allow traffic on those ports. You can contact your internet service provider for help. Method 4. Set up internet connection. Open PS5 settings, then select Network, then select Settings under Network. Now select the Setup Internet Connection. Select the network you are connected to, then select the Forget option. Then wait for a few minutes, then connect it again. You will need to enter your network password again to reconnect. Follow as shown. Method 5. Use a wired connection. The next thing you can do is try a wired connection. Connect the PlayStation 5 to your router using an Ethernet cable. Wired connections can provide a more stable and reliable connection compared to Wi-Fi. Once done, check if this works. Otherwise, go to the next method. Method 6. Improve Wi-Fi connectivity for your PlayStation. To improve wireless communication on your PlayStation 5, place the console closer to the router or access point to ensure a stronger signal. Make sure there are no physical obstacles like walls or electronic devices between them that could interfere with the connection. A clear, unobstructed path helps maintain a stable and faster network, reducing lag and disconnections. Method 7. Contact support. If the methods shown could not fix the issue, you can visit the PlayStation support page for further assistance. Follow the guide provided by the experts to fix the issue. And that's it. Those are the most effective ways to fix NW-102315-2. Hopefully, one of these steps got back you online without a hitch. If this guide helped, hit that like button and subscribe to Silicophilic for more PS5 troubleshooting and tech tips. Let us know in the comments which solution worked for you. Your feedback could help someone else facing the same issue. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.